Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure both accounts are accessible. Sign into Gmail and your Microsoft account in separate tabs. Once done, enable two-factor authentication on either account if not already set, because this improves security and smooths verification. Next, open Gmail settings, go to Accounts and Import. You'll use the Add a Mail account option. Make sure you can receive verification codes on your phone or backup email before proceeding. You'll now add the Microsoft mailbox. In Gmail's Add a Mail account dialog, enter the Microsoft email address and choose Import emails using POP3. Then supply the POP server details Outlook, Office 365, COM, port 995 with SSL. Enter your account password or an app password if 2FA is enforced. Make sure to select whether Gmail should leave a copy on the server and apply a label to incoming messages, because that keeps mail organized and avoids accidental deletions. Finally, verify the connection. In Gmail Send Mail as section, add your Microsoft address and confirm via the verification email, then send a test message from Gmail using that from address. If sending fails, set SMTP to SMTP, Office 365, COM, port 587 with TLS, and authenticate with your Microsoft credentials or app password. If problems persist, check that app passwords are correct. Confirm ports and SSL/TLS settings, and temporarily disable browser extensions or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.